today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on high verification level on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find settings, click on it, and here as you see you will find moderation, and now you will find here high, click on it, and that's it. After this click save and it will be saved. And that's how to turn on high verification level on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.